Do loud talkers win just because they're loud? Or do the quiet ones win because they're secretly smarter? Is success really about how much you speak? Hello everyone, welcome to the Glory Steps. Today's story exposes a hidden habit that is silently killing the dreams of millions. You probably have this habit and don't even know it. While listening, we'll also learn powerful English words you can use in real life. So stay with us until the end. In a quiet little town lived a boy named Leo. Leo was brilliant, ambitious, and filled with huge dreams. He wanted to be the top student, master coding and music, and build an extraordinary future. But Leo had one hidden flaw, a habit that was secretly sabotaging his progress. He could not stop talking about his plans. Every time a new idea sparked in his mind or he set a new goal, he felt an irresistible urge to announce it to the world. He'd tell his friends about his study schedules, his parents about his business ideas, and even casual acquaintances about his personal resolutions. Leo thought sharing his goals would lock in his motivation. He loved the instant gratification, the wows, the praise, the admiration. It made him feel successful before he had even taken a single step. But a strange thing started happening. After sharing, the burning desire to actually do the work began to fade. The recent exam results were proof. His scores were painfully average. His words were giant, but his results were tiny. To make it worse, a few people had started to mock his big, unfulfilled promises. Feeling defeated and confused, Leo visited his grandfather for the weekend. His grandfather, a man of few words but deep wisdom, noticed Leo's unusual silence and somber mood. "What's weighing on your heart, my boy?" his grandfather asked gently. "You seem clouded with trouble." Leo spilled everything. "I tell everyone my dreams, Grandpa, but I never achieve them. And now, the dreams themselves don't even excite me anymore. It feels like I've already lived the achievement by talking about it, and now the real work feels empty." His grandfather listened intently, a knowing look in his eyes. He said, "Leo, you are suffering from a common thief of dreams. You are spending the capital before you've earned it." Leo looked confused. "What do you mean, Grandpa?" "When you announce your goals," his grandfather explained, "your brain mistakes the talking for the doing. It gets a premature sense of accomplishment, draining the very motivation you need to follow through. The praise you receive is a down payment on success you haven't achieved yet, and it satisfies your mind enough to make the real effort feel less urgent." He placed a hand on Leo's shoulder. "Your energy, the fuel for your dreams, is leaking out through your words. True power lies in silent action. Let your results make the noise, not your announcements. The world pays for what you do, not for what you say you will do." It was as if a light switch flipped in Leo's mind. He realized his biggest obstacle wasn't a lack of talent or ambition, it was his own need for external validation. From that day on, Leo made a vow of silence around his goals. He stopped announcing and started executing. He channeled all the energy he used to spend talking into relentless, quiet work. The change wasn't instant, but it was powerful. His next exam scores shocked everyone. He mastered new skills without a single social media post. He became a man of substance, not just words. People didn't hear about his plans, they saw his results. And that was a noise more powerful than any he had ever made with his voice. The lesson: don't cheapen your dreams by making them topics of conversation. Make them a reality through focused, silent action. Your energy flows where your attention goes. Guard it fiercely. If this story resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tales like this. Until next time, stay patient, stay thankful, and keep moving forward.